Jai Shri Mataji. We welcome once again all the seekers of truth. Today we are going to learn a purification technique called foot soaking or salt water treatment. This treatment, as we said, is for the clearance or purification of our 7 energy centers and channels. So let us see how do we do this technique. First, we have to give ourselves a bandhan, right? The way we had learnt earlier. And then let us see what all we need for this method. So, firstly, we need a tub, a metal tub of water. This water in it should be about the depth of our ankle. After this, we need another container of water which contains clean water, and we need one cloth for wiping our feet. Just remember one thing, that this cloth and this tub, once used for foot soak, in general, it should be avoided to be used for anything else like taking a bath or washing utensils. Next, we need salt. This is sea salt or rock salt that we will use for this method. The main aim of this method, or what this method does is that foot soak does, is that when we practice this daily, it slowly purifies and clears our chakras, especially the lower 3 chakras, and helps us in gaining better concentration, better memory, gives us more satisfaction and peace, makes us peaceful so that we can go on to the next stage of meditation. Right. So what we are going to do is we are going to take the salt, and this is approximately 3 small fistfuls of salt, and we are going to put it into the water. Next, we already have a diya or a lamp lit here, so we all will light a lamp in front of Shri Mataji's photograph before we sit for foot soak. If you don't have Shri Mataji's photograph, a physical copy of the photograph with you, then you can have Shri Mataji's photograph on your laptop or your mobile or your TV. Right. So how we begin is that first of all we give ourselves a bandhan. We raise our kundalini and give ourselves a bandhan. And before that we pray to Shri Mataji that Your Holiness Shri Mataji, please let us have this foot soak technique as you have taught us, for us to have clearance of our chakras and nadis, channels. This is a very short method, technique, which has to be done for 5, maximum 10 minutes. So let us give ourselves a bandhan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 knot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 2 knots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 3 knots. This was raising Kundalini. Now we take Bandhan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right. Now we give a bandhan to this water 7 times in the clockwise direction. This helps to give positivity into this water and to activate the elements here. Now, like we said, this technique has to be done with open eyes. And we also give bandhan to this water. How we do this is by giving it vibrations in the clockwise direction 7 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This activates the positivity of these elements and then it becomes useful for our clearance. We place our feet into the water and we sit with open eyes. When we have Shrimataji's photograph in front of us, we look at her photograph, especially her bindi. Now, what do we do? So, we place our left hand in front of us and right hand towards Mother Earth and we pray, Dear Mother, by your grace, let all the imbalances of our left channel be absorbed into the Mother Earth. We keep our attention completely on the left hand and witness what we feel if something is being pulled into the Mother Earth. Next step, we take our right hand back on the lap and raise the left hand towards the sky and we pray to Shri Mataji, Your Holiness Shri Mataji, please clear our right channel. Let all the imbalances, all the excess planning and thinking of our right channel be absorbed into the sky element. Again, we keep our complete attention on our right and left hands and witness whatever is flowing from or into our hands. Now we again bring our left hand back on the lap. We take our right hand, stretch it and put it on top of the head on the talu or the fontanelle bone area. We press it so that the center of the palm and the top of our head, the center of our scalp meet. We press it hard and rotate it in the clockwise direction so that the skin moves, not the hair but the skin. We do this slowly for 7 times, keeping complete attention on top of the head. Now we again bring our right hand back on the lap and we sit like this for some time, keeping complete attention on both the hands and on top of the head. Meanwhile, we can also clear every center or give vibrations, bandhan, to every chakra or center. As we had learnt earlier, the lowest chakra is placed here. So, we rotate our hand, right hand, in the clockwise direction and we put it, whatever negative energy comes out of it, we just put it into the water. For every chakra, we do this. Like we said, this is a short method. Foot soak is a short clearance technique. So now, after approximately 5 to 6 minutes, we again finish this process. So how to finish this process? We take the clean water in this vessel, we raise our leg, pour water onto it and place it on this cloth. Then we take our second leg, clean it nicely and place it. We wipe our feet. We give bandhan to this water again to make it clear, clean, positive. Done. Now we don't touch this water again and we go and throw it into the toilet. Now we give ourselves a bandhan once again. Jai Shri Mataji. Now, like we said, this is only a clearance technique. And so, after this, we have to sit for meditation. It is important and supportive. This is important because half our health, mental, and emotional problems will be washed off with this technique. So, it is very important to be done daily. And it is very useful because we can start enjoying our meditation after this clearance technique. So, immediately after this, for some time, we can sit for meditation. Now, with closed eyes. Jai Shri Mataji.